Back to Palm Springs we go. There's a car show I go to every year that's called the Dr. George Charity Show. And my car's gonna be in that with all the homies. And also I ordered my other seat rail so I can get rid of this stock seat. Hopefully I don't run into any cops. Oh my god. So sketchy. Alright, before I went to Palm Springs, I had to go do something that was mandatory. I did it 3 months ago for my first time and I had to do it again. I got my eyebrows threaded. Hold up. Damn! Hold up, she left me looking like J-Lo. See them brows? You finna break the internet. Hey, but if you go get your eyebrows threaded, just know it hurts way more than a tattoo. I was sitting there, tears coming out my eyes. 2 hours and 16 minutes. Nice. Alright, we're gonna get there at 2:16. Install the seats. Cop. That means dip. Alright, we made it to the shop. I just picked up my my rails for my Recaro and some Deltese. It's like Christmas. Every day, always something new with this car. Nice. Finally, my passengers can enjoy their seat. I don't like to read. Got the base right here. Hopefully everything goes good. It's always something new. And trying to work on your car, something always goes wrong. So let's hope this one works. So it just clips into here. And then it's like a little thing that goes inside of the little hole. Alright, so finally the rail's installed. So it's currently 2:03 a.m. and I just finished washing my car, the interior and everything. I always forget I have this trunk set up. I'm really surprised there's someone washing their car right now too. So late. I installed my new seat too. Here's the Recaro. I'm pretty bummed. I was frustrated though because the planted bases, the seat is sitting like this. It's not leveled. Look at, there's just no room compared to the other one. It's like leaning towards this way. I bought these arrow catch hood pins or latches, whatever, fasteners, about a little bit over a year ago. Yeah, these all cleaned up, ready for tomorrow. I'm not even gonna sleep. I'm just gonna pull an all-nighter because I have to wake up at 4:30 a.m. to meet up with all my friends at 5:30, and then the show's at 6:30. Well, we have to be there by then to set up. But yeah, everything looks clean. I usually sleep like around 4 a.m. anyways, so there's no point for me to go and try to sleep and it not work out because it's so hard for me to force myself. The interior's looking clean. Really stoked on it, on these seats. This is probably one of my favorite things on the car, honestly, is the seats. Interior's getting there. All I need is my half roll cage, my harnesses, and then a couple carbon fiber interior like trims like this, and then this thing. I'm covering it because it's scratching. It pisses me off looking at it, especially on camera. And then this is what my friend Radu used on my car to ceramic coat it. It's called Sea Quartz. If you guys were wondering, I think this is like 75 bucks for the bottle. He said he uses half of one bottle for one car, so he can do like 2 cars with this. So 75 bucks, protects your paint. I mean, look how clean it looks. He left this so nice for me, so now it's really easy to keep my car clean. But I really have to go to the bathroom. It's really late and not a lot of places are open. You know, that Blaze Pizza kicked in, so I'm gonna go to my old job. It's a hotel, so That'll be easy to go over there and use the restroom, bug them. See my old coworker, see if he's working right now. He's probably bummed. This sticker right here, C-Court sticker, that adds like 10 horsepower more. Especially because it keeps your car really sleek and aerodynamic with the ceramic coating. It's the secret to being fast, I'm telling you. I'm not even fast though. I'm not even tuned yet. What am I talking about being fast? Look how many rags I used. I used a whole 30 pack of microfiber rags. I miss this place. All my coworkers were so chill. My boss and everyone, such a chill job. I remember I did a pull leaving and this ground's so slick. Jesus, my car whipped nasty. It was so sketchy. I just get tempted all the time to do stupid shit. My coworker's gonna be like, what are you doing here? And I'll be like, I gotta go number 2. Leave my car parked right up top. This place is so nice. How the umbrellas look though. No, I'm just kidding. Do I look tired? I don't look tired, huh? I look fine. I look like a mess though. Yo, she defined my eyebrows way too much. Like, makes me just want to mess them up. Pumping 85 at 3:30 in the morning. 269? Wow. It's a lot cheaper than Laguna. It's $2.99 out there. I might fill up with like 35 bucks then. I was at a quarter. Oh my god, you scared me. Thought someone was creeping up on me. Damn. A full tank with 35 bucks after being at a quarter tank. That's not bad. I'm gonna head to my sister's house, shower, wake myself up a little bit. I gotta do a pull. It's late, I'm tired, I need to wake up. I hope that car up there isn't a cop. We ready. Let's go. The smell of corn in the morning. Well, not really morning for me because I haven't slept, so it's still nighttime until I sleep. Alright, it's 5 o'clock in the morning now. Stayed up, showered. Now headed back to La Quinta to meet up with my friends and take our cars to the show. Mowing their lawn. My air out, just cut the whole grass. Look at that view. That looks beautiful. The palm trees, the sky. Get to see the sunrise. about 30 hours now, and I still have about 10 more hours to go until I fall asleep. It was for sure a fun weekend in Palm Springs with the car show and everything. I stayed up for 45 hours straight, or 48 hours straight. I only slept Thursday, woke up at 9 a.m. Friday, and didn't sleep again till Sunday at 6 a.m. till 12. So I got 6 hours of sleep. That's crazy. That's the longest I've ever stayed up. And I felt like I could have just stayed up longer than that. I feel like I could have gotten another full day. I was cracked out. I wasn't even drinking energy drinks, nothing, no coffee. I don't drink caffeine. I just drink water and juice. So, I don't know. My body just has a lot of energy. I hate sleeping. I feel like sleeping is a waste of time. I like just being out, having fun, doing things, being productive. So yeah, I'm gonna head back home, 2-hour drive back to Laguna from Palm Springs. So I'll see you guys later.